all, in this video I am going to show you how to replace the battery in Audi Q5 key fob. Just we need replacement battery which is a CR2032. This battery is available in Amazon. I am providing link in description box. If you are interested to buy, please go and check there. Now I will show you step by step process. Step 1. Locate the buttons on the bottom of the key fob. Press and hold both of those down and pull out the internal key. Now you can see this part. We just opened up. There are two buttons, one on each side. Once again you just hold both sides, pull and wiggle. Then this part will come out. It may take some force, but be careful not to damage the fob. It came out. Now you can just remove the old battery. Now take the new CR2032 battery and insert it into the holder. Make sure positive side is facing up. Gently press the battery into place until it clicks. Align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together. Make sure the key fob is securely closed or not. If you found this video helpful, please like and comment. Thank you for watching.